Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, people of Kalyugas. I am Kalyugi Babaji. Today telling you why Kalyugi Babaji born. You may laugh once upon hearing the name of Kalyugi Babaji, or else a picture of the Babas of Kalyug begins to appear in your mind as it about 8 to 10 because of their deeds they are in prison. I will not take the name of myself. You know very well them. But the amazing thing is that even today his devotees consider him as a god, like father, as before doing it, no matter how bad they are in the eyes of the world. And if you ask their devotees about Corona right now, then they say that that is their grace and they will fix all the people. So I ask them to get him out of the jail first, then fix it, and then say that Lord Krishna was also born in jail. So here he resides in that supreme power. So my answer to him is that all the doors were opened as soon as he was born and to destroy the sinners. If you have so much mistrust on Gurudev, so once you come to the Corona patient hospital after taking the name of Guru, then you will find out about the reverence. That is to say, do not to superstitious at all. Believe in what is really there. But let me tell you that this is Kalyugi Babaji is not like them at all. It is just a simple person like you. It does not have beard or hair like these Babas, and this Baba will also not be found teaching you all the people in any ashram. This Babaji has come to share the kind of knowledge that the common people need according to the present day era. This Baba will never ask you to do blind devotion to God because today is the age of science. First, you have to prove everything. It is based only on science or which he can realize himself to give the same kind of knowledge to you. We'll try today. People are constantly forgetting humanity. If they do not have humanity left them, then they will try to bring it back. This Babaji will help inspire you to do action like Lord Krishna. How can you achieve your goal by performing action? How to keep motivate constantly? How to stop your mind from wandering? How to focus on your goal without distracting, etc. will help you in your task. Right now the atmosphere is going on the whole country and the world. How can we keep ourselves alive in such time? What should we do to keep our mind calm? And we should not forget human religion. This Kalyugi Babaji channel was born to tell you such things and show the way. This Babaji is a follower of Baba like Swami Vivekananda, who propagated religion in the country and abroad, who always insisted on playing sports, yoga and meditation so that the body and mind of the people will be healthy and they all together in a civilized society to establish. This Babaji will never inspire you to blind devotion to anyone because he himself meditated on Guru Ram Lal Ji Sial. So the other Kulantak Pit also listened to the discourses of Maharaja of Himachal and Vallabhacharya Swami of Mathura. How can this Baba bring the people of Kalyug today on the way? How to cleanliness their corrupted minds, who is full of malice towards other religion? How can we reduce it? You will find this Babaji exercising and teaching someday, while someday doing meditation and yoga. Someday we will be talking about artificial intelligence in science. Someday we will be talking about the elimination of terrorism or the border dispute with the country. And he is just an Indian, no Hindu, Muslim or Christian, not a Farsi, and pledges that I will protect my country according to spiritual shoulder. I will make my country spiritually strong. I will fight like a soldier to protect human religions. In all these things, if you do not like many things, then you do not take those things at all. Otherwise, you leave them in the same way as the garbage gets separated automatically in the blister while cleaning weight. You take everything that is relevant to you, your work, and leave the rest because they can be used to someone else. And secondly, it will not end you even if you listen to these things. Still, it will be equally effective for everyone, and you can sit and show this channel to anyone. Then I will not have to physically reach anywhere. Maybe the benefit of the someone who does not even know me after seeing and listening to this channel. This Babaji has come to help you according to the needs of the Kaliyug, and this is not negative at all. You will be always make motivate and try to make a good person. That is why this channel has emerged. Now I think now you must have realized that why this Kaliyugi Babaji is. This Babaji has come to help you according to the need of Kaliyug, has come to show you the right path. Now you should have subscribed this channel once because you do not know when you need this channel. Jai Ho.